Rome at night has a different rhythm. The city does not reveal itself all at once. It lets you walk into it, street by street, light by light, shadow by shadow. So this night our walk began near Via del Leonchino as we make our way towards Via Condotti and the Spanish Steps. This is one of Rome's most elegant stretches where the old city meets the world of high fashion. The windows glow, the stones shine under the evening lights, and every doorway seems to belong to another century. And then we pass through Palazzo Fendi, home to the House of Fendi in Rome, one of the great symbols of Italian fashion. Uh, Around it are names that have come to define luxury and style, polished storefronts, careful lighting, immaculate displays, and so much more. And a few steps away from the world of designer stores, there's a chestnut seller, a Bangladeshi man roasting chestnuts on the street, part of another Rome, migrant, hardworking, modest, and essential to the life of the city. He tells us he has been in Italy for 18 years. He's not comfortable with the camera, and that too says something. Not every story needs to be filmed closely. The smell of roasted chestnuts fills the street. In the winter and late evenings, they are everywhere in Rome. Small pockets of warmth in a city of stone. The contrast is striking. Luxury boutiques on the one side, migrant labor on the other, and between them, the same Roman pavement carrying everyone forward. And then we continue walking towards Piazza di Spagna, which begins to appear in the distance. The Spanish Steps loom ahead. And then we arrive at the Piazza di Spagna, which is alive. Tourists, locals, street sounds, laughter, footsteps, and the soft rush of water all come together around Fontana della Barcaccia, the fountain of the boat. The Baroque fountain was built in the 17th century by Bernini, father of Lorenzo Bernini, and it sits gently on the foot of Spanish steps like a half-sunken boat in stone. There is a legend that the boat was carried here during the flood of Tiber, and the image remained in Rome's imagination. Whether legend or memory, the fountain feels perfectly placed, low, graceful, almost humble, surrounded by one of the most photographed spaces in the world. The Spanish Steps are no longer a place where one can casually sit because there's a new rule. The city has tried to protect them from overuse, but the piazza remains open to the public even late in the night. And this is where you feel the magic of Rome by night. Gives you the grandeur, history, commerce, migration, exhaustion, all within a short walk. And from Via del Leonchino to Via dei Condotti, and from Fendi to roasted chestnuts, from street vendor to Bernini's fountain, this small walk becomes a portrait of the city itself. Rome is both the monuments but also the people who have been walking on its pavements for centuries.